Anonymous finally breaks its silence on the subject of UFO sightings, providing insight and theories on these mysterious objects that have been reported by pilots, military personnel, and civilians all over the world. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Fast Forward. In today's video, we'll discuss the latest information and theories that have been revealed in this groundbreaking video by Anonymous regarding UFO sightings. Anonymous, an unidentified and loosely organized assembly of hackers and internet activists, may possess knowledge of concealed information held by those in power. In 2017, this group caused a stir across the internet by declaring that the renowned American space agency NASA was preparing to unveil evidence of extraterrestrial life. Their website displays a cautionary message that reads, "NASA says aliens are coming." But they went even further by releasing a highly contentious video in which they reference statements and remarks made by respected astronauts and space scientists to support their claims that extraterrestrial beings exist and have been attempting to communicate with humans for quite some time. Additionally, the group shared several accounts of extraterrestrial objects and beings that further support the notion that something extraordinary is occurring in the skies above us. Anonymous released a list of the 10 most prominent indicators of alien existence, reportedly obtained from an unidentified international source. Among the sources cited was Brian O'Leary, an American author, scientist, and former NASA astronaut who was selected to participate in NASA's Astronaut Group 6 and train for the Apollo Applications program. O'Leary's name was mentioned in the alarming video uploaded by Anonymous. O'Leary's academic background included publishing numerous scientific papers on the atmosphere of Mars. In 1967, he completed his PhD thesis on the topic of the Martian surface. Due to his professional expertise, he was selected as a potential astronaut for a future NASA mission to Mars. O'Leary was also the only planetary scientist to be part of NASA's astronaut program during the Apollo era. His observations and scientific opinions were taken seriously within the scientific community. In fact, Anonymous cited one of O'Leary's statements in their video. According to the video, O'Leary asserted that there is simple evidence to suggest that civilizations have been attempting to contact humanity for a prolonged period of time. Furthermore, their physical appearance is said to be highly unconventional and unlike any traditional Western materialistic image. O'Leary went on to elaborate that these otherworldly beings utilize consciousness technologies, including droids and co-rotating magnetic disks for their propulsion systems. This suggests that the extraterrestrial crafts seen by eyewitnesses may indeed resemble the iconic flying saucer vehicles and could be utilized for interstellar and even interdimensional travel. Another compelling piece of evidence was presented in a separate Anonymous video, which showcased a peculiar UFO hovering in the sky. Anonymous alleged that the majority of the footage featuring unidentifiable objects observed on Earth or in space is heavily censored, and this particular video had previously been concealed from public knowledge. However, they claim that they would expose the truth to the masses. The origins of this footage remain shrouded in mystery, and the video's quality is subpar. Naturally, scientists and government officials have refuted claims of extraterrestrial entities wandering in the skies above us. However, a few years following these events, the U.S. Department of Defense made a startling revelation. These strange, unidentifiable flying objects have been observed and captured on camera on multiple occasions. To avoid inciting speculation regarding potential extraterrestrial involvement, they chose to refer to these sightings as unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs. These videos serve to reinforce the notion that we are not alone in the vast expanse of the universe. Perhaps Anonymous is speaking the truth after all. It seems that footage of UFO sightings is being heavily censored, and the Pentagon has even released videos confirming that these events are genuine. The first instance was captured off the coast of California in 2004, and the video shows an oval-shaped object hovering and moving in ways that defy the laws of physics. The second UFO was also recorded as it raced across the surface of the ocean, leaving many to ponder the true nature of these unexplained phenomena. Anonymous has asserted in their video that the existence of exoplanets is solid proof that intelligent alien life inhabits the universe around us. It's worth noting that just over 2 decades ago, scientists believed that no planets existed beyond our solar system. However, much time has passed since then, and these beliefs have been proven false. In fact, The discovery of exoplanets is now a key component of humanity's search for life in the cosmos, as it allows experts to identify planets that exist outside of our solar system. To date, roughly 3,400 exoplanets have been identified by scientists, which is a remarkable feat and one that has fundamentally expanded our understanding of the universe around us. The anonymous video claims that the FBI has unclassified documents that suggest extraterrestrial beings have been visiting Earth for a long time, as well as being from other dimensions. The video suggests that these documents are available to the public on the FBI's website. While the authority of these claims has not been confirmed, the idea of extraterrestrial and interdimensional visitors has been a topic of interest and speculation for many years. Some people believe that there is a vast conspiracy to cover up the existence of such beings, while others are skeptical of the evidence presented. Regardless, the search for evidence of intelligent life beyond our planet continues to be a fascinating and important scientific pursuit. The topic of extraterrestrial life and their visits to Earth has been a subject of debate and speculation for a long time. In a controversial video, Anonymous claimed to have uncovered evidence that supports the existence of aliens and their visits to our planet. One of the pieces of evidence cited was a collection of FBI documents that apparently contained details of extraterrestrial beings visiting Earth and even being from other dimensions. The FBI dismissed the claims as bogus and explained that the documents are publicly available without any redaction. Anonymous also revealed that a university head of department published a document in question, but the FBI considered its content immensely important, which led to its inclusion in their online archive. While the document's authenticity is hard to verify due to its age, it adds to the speculation surrounding the existence of alien life. The idea that visitors from other dimensions are interacting with our world has captured the attention of both alien enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists. While some speculate that these visitors could be from another planet, others believe that they may come from a different realm that is intertwined with ours. This alternate realm could be an etheric planet that interpenetrates our Earth, but due to our limited human senses, we are unable to perceive it. Those who have a better understanding of esotericism may find this idea more acceptable. Anonymous in a video suggests that these alien beings possess the ability to enter our plane of existence and can choose to reveal themselves or disappear from view at will. This means that in another plane, these aliens can be going about their daily lives, with some even walking to work as if they were entirely ordinary. But according to Anonymous, we cannot see these aliens, even though they are frequently visiting us, possibly considering settling on our plane and revealing themselves to humanity. They are said to be far more technologically advanced and not be fazed by any kind of violence on our part. There is a good chance that they can harm us, so it's better not to threaten them if they do reveal themselves. Moving on to the subject of TRAPPIST-1, another topic briefly touched upon in the video by Anonymous. It is a nearby dwarf star from the Aquarius constellation. It is an ultra-cool red star with a planetary system much like ours, with 7 known planets so far. TRAPPIST-1's mass is about 9% of the Sun's, and its radius is slightly larger than Jupiter. The dwarf star's surface temperature is around 2,293 degrees Celsius, and it is 40.7 light-years away from the Sun, and approximately 7.6 billion years old. The planets in this system resemble Earth, and further research on the unique solar system has revealed that some of the planets orbiting TRAPPIST-1 might even have more water than Earth on the planets closer to the star. The TRAPPIST-1 planetary system is a fascinating topic that Anonymous briefly touched on in their recent video on UFO sightings. This ultra-cool red star, located in the Aquarius constellation, has a planetary system that closely resembles ours. So far, 7 planets have been discovered in this system, some of which have liquid water similar to Earth. However, the outermost planets contain water in the form of ice, while the inner planets have liquid water. Anonymous suggested that there could be an entire alien civilization living in some, if not all, of the planets within the TRAPPIST-1 planetary system. While this may seem far-fetched, the abundance of water on these planets could mean that microbial life forms might be thriving out there. It's an exciting thought that could lead to further research and discoveries in the future. Thank you for watching this video on Anonymous's recent comments on UFO sightings. It's always fascinating to explore the possibilities of extraterrestrial life and their interactions with humanity. As always, we encourage you to stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content. See you in the next video.